All right, we're going to introduce you to a puzzle. And this is a good, refreshing puzzle for those that are intrigued with kind of hand puzzles to get at the ball out and then put it back together how it is. Now, this is a very difficult puzzle. Once you take it apart, it's going to be very difficult to put it back unless you understand it. So now that we are in a society of iPhones, tablets, and pretty much don't stimulate our brains enough, this is a great way to actually restart that and create a knowledge of wealth by not just putting these things together, but actually taking them apart, looking how they intertwine with each other and connect to make a prism for the actual single sphere that's in the center. Now, to take apart, it's easy. Once you take one piece off, the whole thing crumbles apart. Now, it is your job to put it together. So it's a little difficult in tight squeezing areas, but it's something that it's very useful and it's a nice little toy to have. So once you take one piece off, the rest of the things should be easy to take the ball. So our job is to take the ball and then put it back in. It's going to take me quite a while to figure it out, but they're a little tight, some of the squeezing areas. So you have to remove one of the sticks in order to. I don't want to cheat. I don't want to go on the internet and start figuring it out, but I'm gonna start messing around with it, and it's gonna take me maybe a couple of days to kind of figure out which part do I need to take off for the entire system. Because if you take one stick, it's not even easy to take a stick out. You have to figure out which is the one that's gonna trigger the whole thing to come apart. So figuring it out is a puzzle to begin with. All right, so if you guys can see, if I try to take this stick off, this is holding on to this. They all intertwined together, right? They're all embedded together. Very stimulating game. So it's going to take me quite a while, but I just want you guys to see it firsthand. Beautiful styling, different colors, coordination, so you can understand. If you like Rubik's Cube, this is another similar to it. So simple. It's made of wood. Hope you guys enjoy the video.